Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best propane flamethrower is probably one of the most versatile tools for land management and weed control, but also great for lighting fire pits and controlled burns. In this video, we will look at what makes a good propane flamethrower, and what you should consider before buying one, to help you pick the best one for your needs. Number 5. AUSAIL Propane Torch Weed Burner. It's built with durable refractory steel, unlike other burners. The dual adjustment system lets you easily control the flame with one hand. This powerful torch heats up to over 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit with ease. It features a safe piezoelectric ignition and comfortable ergonomic handle. It's CCSAUS certified for your safety and peace of mind. The included 10-foot hose and German-made valve seal ring ensure reliable performance. It's incredibly versatile. Use it for weeding, melting snow, searing food, and much more. It's perfect for home, garden, and industrial use. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 3-year warranty and quick support from our professional team if any issues arise. What we like. It boasts ultra-high-strength refractory steel for unmatched durability and a whopping 1,800,000 BTU output. This ensures superior performance for even the toughest jobs. If you need a powerful and long-lasting tool, this is the one for you. What people say. The first impression was the can on the end is smaller than I was expecting it to be. However, the first time I fired it up and squeezed that trigger, any concerns about it being underpowered were instantly gone. It's just terrifying enough to be a bit of an adrenaline rush using it. Squeeze the trigger and it's loud, like a fighter jet kicking in its afterburners. The 10-foot included hose is plenty and you can just move the tank as you go along. Number 4. Weed Torch Burner. It features a high-performance push-button igniter with an upgraded spark generator for quick and easy starts. The hose is compatible with various propane tank sizes. It's CSA certified for safe operation and undergoes a strict leak test. The German-imported valve seal and brass construction provide maximum leak protection. It boasts a heavy-duty brass flow valve for adjustable heat and a large nozzle that delivers a strong, 28-inch flame with a 380,000 BTU output. Its one-piece steel design resists heat, corrosion, and leaks. The ergonomic grip and 10-feet marine-grade hose ensure comfort and durability. It's ideal for weed and stump burning, melting snow and ice, and various other tasks. It's a truly multi-purpose tool. It comes with a 3-year factory warranty and access to fast, local service. We're here to help with any questions or issues. What we like. This propane torch is CSA certified, guaranteeing safety and reliability. It offers a powerful flame with precise heat control. If safety and peace of mind are your priorities, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Worked great, installs easily and puts out some real flames. Torched the weeds in my garden in mere minutes, which is great for my back because it takes hours and days to weed it traditionally. It also works great for quickly melting snow down. I have used this for melting thick ice that was laid down by a freezing rainstorm. For burning large wood slabs for a few signs I have done in the shop. And for burning weeds from the backyard where I am digging for a Japanese garden. It has worked great. The torch seems well built. The integrated starter is a nice addition and very convenient. Easy to adjust and puts out a very good flame. Used it to burn down some tough brush. Number 3. SCHTUMPA Weed Torch. It's so simple to start. Just connect the hose, turn the gas valve, and press the button. It's designed to work with standard and smaller propane tanks, giving you flexibility. We've improved it based on customer feedback. The durable hose and brass valve are built to last, even with tough outdoor use. It's resistant to oil and scratches. Safety is key. The all-brass valve minimizes leaks, and the reverse tightening design prevents accidental loosening. At 28 inches long, it keeps you at a safe distance. Reach those hard-to-get weeds with precision and ease. It's perfect for tight spaces and various outdoor tasks. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year warranty. Our customer service team is here to help with any questions or concerns. What we like. It features an easy-to-use ignition system and upgraded, durable accessories. This makes for a convenient and long-lasting tool. If you value ease of use and long-term value, this is the option for you. What people say. So much easier and fun than hand-picking weeds. As an added bonus, it can get a campfire going in short order. Overall high quality, consumes a lot of propane which is expected, and I love the trigger to turn up the heat. Works great and I highly recommend. This product arrived as advertised, heavy-duty, certified, with warranty and instructions. It can be used with different size propane tanks too, so carrying a huge heavy tank around is no longer cumbersome and a strain on your back. This is great for starting campfires, cleaning up your yard. I use it for cleaning leaves up and control on grass on my patio. I highly recommend this product, easy to use. Number 2. Propane Torch Burner Weed Torch. It boasts a large 60mm flame nozzle and delivers 500,000 BTUs of heat, reaching over 3,400 degrees Fahrenheit. The turbojet technology ensures a powerful flame that extends up to 2.3 feet. This propane torch is AUSAIL certified, featuring a German-made valve seal ring and internal safety mechanisms to prevent leaks. It also includes a reverse thread POL safety valve for easy operation. It features a convenient piezoelectric ignition for safe and easy starting. The 9.8-foot hose allows you to reach hard-to-reach areas without moving the propane tank. It's perfect for various tasks, from landscaping and weed burning to melting ice, soldering, and even cooking. It's suitable for home, garden, farm, industrial, and construction use. Always read the instructions before use and wear appropriate safety gear, including goggles and gloves. Remember to consider wind direction when igniting it. What we like. This model offers a powerful 500,000 BTU output and a long 9.8-foot hose for extended reach. The automatic igniter adds extra convenience and safety. If you need a powerful and convenient tool for various tasks, this is the one. What people say. I used this to yakasugi some boards for a compost bin, it worked very well for this. This propane torch is very well made. I did not experience any quality or safety issues. This worked like a charm. Torch heats to a very high temperature. One shot and it kills weeds or anything else it hits. Number 1. Hot Max Big Max Torch Kit. This is the Hot Max Big Max, the ultimate propane torch for professional and demanding tasks. It's built for power, precision, and ease of use. It's more than just a weed burner, it melts snow, removes paint, thaws pipes, heats metal, and tackles tough jobs with ease. Experience superior performance. It features our idle boost fuel saver valve for precise flame adjustment. The molded handle provides superior comfort and control, a Hot Max trademark. With 500,000 BTUs per hour, it's perfect for heavy-duty applications. The included 10-foot hose is rated for 350 psi and is UL/CSA listed for safety. The kit includes everything you need: the torch, a 36-inch molded handle, idle boost fuel saver valve, 10-foot hose, tank connector, striker, and instructions. Just add your propane tank. Always read the instructions before use. Be aware of your surroundings and weather conditions for safe operation. What we like. It features a powerful 500,000 BTU output and an innovative idle boost fuel saver valve for precise flame control. The molded handle provides superior comfort and control. If you prioritize control and comfort for heavy-duty tasks, this is the best option. What people say. The torch worked right out of the box, no assembly except hooking it up to the propane tank. Wow, unbelievable way to get all the bad weeds out of my grass. It's a great tool, but as with any tool is be careful not to burn anything. The torching goes pretty quick, and seems about the same level of time and effort as spraying Roundup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.